A big congratulations to the TSUGAMI team for this mega factory in India and showing their commitment to their success in India. I'm Vaibhav Nagori. I'm a head of this organization called IMCA. We make our feeding systems for the precision turning and turnmill and Swiss type machines of TSUGAMI. And we've been working very closely with TSUGAMI team in making Indian manufacturing a great success. And I congratulate everyone who's put this great show together. And I hope great successes to everyone. Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon all. Welcome to TSUGAMI Techfare 2025. I'm myself Ayush Garg. I'm the National Product Head, Sliding Head Machines. In the Techfare is organized, we have inaugurated our new factory and foundry in India. So today we are demonstrating the all sliding head machines here along with turning machine, VMC and grinding machines, turnmill machines and our HMC machines. In sliding head machines we have showcased our new model SI206A. This is a 6-axis machine and very heavy duty machines. So I request you to all please come and see our machines. You can come anytime to our factory. We'll demonstrate you and we will solve your any problem, any application support you want. We can do directly and we will have a quick deliveries also.
I think we are pleased to hear at TSUGAMI Tech's opening show, and they have opened big facility in Chennai, and also they invited many customers to the show. Here we represent Renisha and we have installed a probing system solution to the die molds machine where the tools and probing system we have installed both can be precisely we can manufacture on the machine and we can take the output. Many of the customers uses traditional way. How we can improve the productivity as well as the accuracy on the machine by using Renisha probes will help both tool setting as well as the job setting. Complete inspection of die can be done at the end of the machining. We exhibiting here on this particular machine non-contact type tool setting as well as a optical probing system where it can contribute to the productivity. And also on the other machines on turning center, TSUGAMI uses our arms where tool offsets within a second they can take. Even this world, automated world, everything is going in automation. So Renisha is contributing and helping to the customers in this space. And you can utilize, customer can utilize this opportunity, look at our products as well as they can see, feel, and they can use it and implement in their productive environment. Thank you.